हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है NCERT क्लास 11 फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी का सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चैप्टर द ओरिजिन एंड एवोल्यूशन ऑफ द अर्थ। दोस्तों, चाहे आप KVS NVS की तैयारी कर रहे हो या फिर PhD इंटरव्यू के लिए अपीयर होने वाले हो, ये चैप्टर ज्योग्राफी का बेस है। लेकिन अक्सर स्टूडेंट्स कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि बिग बैंग से लेकर लाइफ ऑन अर्थ तक कॉम्प्लेक्स कंसेप्ट्स को इंटरव्यूअर्स के सामने कैसे प्रेजेंट करें। इन दिस वीडियो हम डिस्कस करेंगे 20 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट चेन क्वेश्चंस जो रियल इंटरव्यूज़ में बार बार पूछे जाते हैं। मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि कैसे NCERT की टेक्निकल लैंग्वेज जैसे डिफरेंशिएशन, डीगैसिंग और बिग बैंग को यूज़ करके आप अपने आंसर्स को जस्टिफाई कर सकते हैं। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड और चलो आज हम आपके कंसेप्चुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग को क्रिस्टल क्लियर करते हैं। सो लेट गेट स्टार्टेड। The first question is, how does the Big Bang theory differ from the steady state theory in terms of evidence? We can answer like this. The Big Bang theory or expanding universe hypothesis suggests the universe began from a singularity and is expanding. The steady state theory of Will argued the universe was the same at any point of time. However, the discovery of cosmic microwave background radiation proved the Big Bang. Like a balloon with spots, as it inflates, the distance between galaxies increases. So the next question number 2. If the universe is expanding, why don't the galaxies themselves expand? We can answer like this. This is a crucial distinction. While space between galaxies expands, the galaxies themselves are held together by gravity. For example, think of the galaxies as coins glued onto a balloon. As the balloon expands, the coins move upward, but the coins or the galaxies do not grow in size because of their internal structural strength, which is called gravity. Next question, explain the role of planetesimals in the nebular hypothesis. In the later stages of nebula, gas clouds condensed into small rounded objects called planetesimals. Through the process of cohesion and gravitational attraction, these small bodies collided to form larger bodies or planets. For example, it is like small droplets of water on a surface merging to form one large drop. The next question number 4 is, why are inner planets terrestrial and outer planets Jovian? So you can answer like this. There are 3 reasons. First is proximity to the sun. It was too hot for gases to condense. Point 2, solar wind. It was most intense near the sun, blowing away most of the gases. And point 3 is gravity. Inner planets are smaller and couldn't hold escaping gases. For example, like standing near a high-speed fan, light dust like gas blows away, leaving only heavy pebbles or rocks. Next question number 5 is, what is the significance of the big splat in Earth's history? This refers to the origin of the moon. A body of the size of Mars collided with the Earth about 4.44 billion years ago. This giant impact blasted a large part of Earth into space, which then orbited Earth to form the moon. For example, like a high-speed collision between two clay balls where a chunk breaks off but stays nearby due to attraction. Next, question number 6. How did differentiation create the layered structure of the earth? Due to gradual heating and partial melting, heavier materials like iron and nickel sank towards the center, while lighter materials like silicates moved toward the surface. This formed the crust, mantle and core. For example, like a mixture of oil and water, the denser liquid always settles at the bottom. Question number 7. Describe the evolution of the primordial atmosphere. The early atmosphere was hydrogen of the early atmosphere of hydrogen and helium was stripped away by solar winds. This was the first stage. The second stage was degassing, where the internal gases like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor were released through volcanic eruptions. For example, like a pressure cooker releasing steam when the internal heat becomes too much. Next, question number 8. How did the process of degassing lead to the formation of oceans? We can answer like this. As the earth cooled, the water vapor released through degassing condensed. Continuous rain for thousands of years filled the depressions of the earth's surface. For example, like steam hitting a cold lid on a pot, turning back into water droplets and filling the base. Next, question number 9. When did oxygen become a major component of the atmosphere? We can answer like this. Oxygen was added through photosynthesis by cyanobacteria in the oceans. For a long time, oxygen remained in the oceans. Only when the oceans were saturated did it begin to flood the atmosphere about 2 billion years ago. For example, like a sponge absorbing water, once it can't hold more, the water starts spilling out. Question number 10. What is a light year and why do we use it for Earth's origin studies? A light year is a measure of distance, not time. Distance, light travel in 1 year, that is 9.46 into 10 to the power 12 kilometer. It helps us measure the vastness of the nebula from which our Earth evolved. Next question, question number 11. Explain the nebula in one sentence. A nebula is a localized clump of gas and dust within a galaxy that starts to rotate and collapse under its own gravity to form stars and planets. Next question, question number 12. Why is Earth's crust mostly composed of lighter elements? We can answer like this. Because of density differentiation. During the molten stage, different lighter materials like Ciel and Sima floated to the top, much like scume or froth floats on top of boiling liquid. Next question, what is the age of the Earth and how is it related to the solar system? Earth is 4.6 billion years old. All components of the solar system like sun, planets, asteroids formed at roughly the same time from the same parent nebula. Next, question number 14. What was the Precambrian era characterized by? It covers nearly 88% of Earth's history. It was the era of the formation of the lithosphere, atmosphere, and the first appearance of life or unicellular bacteria. Next, question number 15. How did the cooling of Earth affect the carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere? As oceans formed, much of the atmospheric carbon dioxide dissolved into the ocean water, reducing the greenhouse effect and allowing further cooling. For example, like a carbonated drink where the gas is trapped within the liquid. Next, question number 16. Is the Earth still evolving? Yes. Through plate tectonics, volcanic activity, and biological changes, the Earth's surface and atmosphere continue to change. Evolution is a continuous process, not a finished event. Next question. What are chondrites and why are they important? Chondrites are stony meteorites that haven't changed since the early solar system. They serve as time capsules to help us understand the original composition of the Earth. Next, question number 18. What is the difference between inner core and outer core in the context of evolution? Differentiation caused the heaviest iron to form the core. The outer core remains liquid, creating the Earth's magnetic field, while the inner core is solid due to intense pressure. Next, question number 19. Define the biosphere. It is a narrow zone of contact where the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere interact to support life. Its evolution was the final stage of the Earth's development. Next question. Why is the study of Earth's origin relevant for a geographer? We can answer like this: because to understand the present physical geography, we must understand the past. Different processes like differentiation, cooling, and degassing that shaped the current distribution of land and sea. So ये थे वो 20 क्वेश्चंस जो आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग को बिगिनर लेवल से एक्सपर्ट लेवल तक ले जाएंगे। रिमेंबर, इंटरव्यू में सिर्फ फैक्टर्स मैटर नहीं करते, बल्कि आप उन फैक्टर्स को NCERT के ऑथेंटिक लैंग्वेज और लॉजिकल एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ कैसे प्रेजेंट करते हैं, दैट इज़ व्हाट इम्प्रेस द पैनल। इन 20 क्वेश्चंस को अगर आपने प्रिपेयर कर लिया तो बिलीव मी, इस चैप्टर से आप कोई भी कंसेप्ट मिस नहीं होगा। अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर इंफॉर्मेटिव लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और अपने जियोग्राफी ग्रुप में शेयर करें। कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइए कि अगला वीडियो अब किस चैप्टर पर चाहिए, आपको किस चैप्टर पर चाहिए। सो कीप लर्निंग, कीप टीचिंग। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।